Hello, my name is Frank Wang from the University of Michigan, and today we're going to be looking at developing mobile malware. This lab was developed by Anyi Liu and Xingyi Li from the Oakland University, and supported in part by the National Science Foundation, the Michigan Space Grant Consortium, and the Oakland University. This PowerPoint will go over the learning objectives, the relevant technology, the deliverables and point system, and then a demonstration of mobile malware. We expect that from this lab you will be able to get familiar with the capabilities of the Android debug bridge, be capable of running Metasploit's module to create exploits, and then use these exploits to design and develop a malware that is able to send text messages from the victim's device and steal the victim's information. A Metasploit framework, or MSF, is a powerful tool that can be used by anyone to probe for systematic vulnerabilities in both networks and servers. MSF is open source, which makes it more easily customizable and able to use in a variety of operating systems. With MSF, many developers are able to probe their own networks to look for weak spots using custom code. You can find more information about MSF both on the internet and in our lab manual. The deliverables for this lab will contain 5 deliverables that are 6 points, deliverables 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7, and then deliverables 5 and 6, which are each 5 points. Now we're going to go through a demonstration of how to pull and install a container into the attacker's VM. This will be the lab manual section 3.1. For our example here, I have a virtual machine set up. This will be our attacker virtual machine for the lab. You have to make sure that your attacker virtual machine is set up on the same subnet as your victim virtual machine. So we begin by pulling the container with all the necessary dependencies for Lab 7. And we can pull this directly from Docker. This is located under Yangzhou 301/lab6. /lab6. Installing all the dependencies for this lab should only take 5 minutes or so. Once you've done this, you can just open the folder for the lab and start the container using the shared volume and network with the host, using the command as follows through Docker. Once this command is finished running, you will have completed installing all your dependencies for this lab. And this will bring you to the /bin/bash at the root directory of the container.